Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math practice number 50.
Math Practice number 50. This is a neat problem we saw in your Beast Academy book today. We thought we'd take a look at it.
Yep.
Question is, how many different rectangles can you draw that have integer sides and a perimeter of 16? So what do you think? How do you think you're going to approach a problem like this?
Well, we could draw a picture.
Yeah, you definitely want to draw a picture. And then what else are we going to want to do after we draw a picture?
Maybe we could draw a grid.
Well, we don't need to draw a grid because we're just going to draw pictures. In your book it has a grid, but that's okay. We just want to make a list of the rectangles once we draw. So draw a picture of a rectangle. Okay, and what do we know? What's the only thing we know about this rectangle?
It has a perimeter of 16.
It has a perimeter of 16, and we're trying to figure out how many different ones there are. Okay, so where would be a good place to start?
Well, we could try to find out the missing side lengths.
Yeah, let's do that.
So, maybe...
Start easy. What's the smallest number that could be one of the sides, since we know they're integers?
1.
1, yeah. So make one of those sides 1. Anything else is equal to 1? Hey, good. All right. Now what are the other sides? If one side is 1.
So now that would equal, this is 2, so
Yeah.
something would have to equal 14.
Okay.
So these would be 7.
Very good. Okay, so there's one rectangle. All right, now draw another one. See if we can make a different one now. Okay?
No, we could draw one of those sides to make 2.
Okay, great.
So this would be 2, and this would be 2.
All right.
Now, that's 4, so we gotta have something equal to 12. That's 6.
Awesome. Okay?
Now we have to draw a different rectangle.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, this would be 3.
Okay.
And these would be 5.
Ooh. Awesome. Okay. What's next?
Now we have to draw
Okay.
now this would be equal to 8. And now we have to get something equal to 8. 6. The only two numbers that you 8 are 4 and 4, but we already have those.
Well, but that's okay. You can have a number in the same rectangle. So those are 4 and 4. Okay. Now we're almost out of room on the board. The next rectangle, you started with 1, then you went to 2, then you went to 3, then you went to 4. What's the next one you're going to get to?
5.
Have you already drawn a rectangle with 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one you've already done the rectangle with 5.
Yeah.
And you've already done the rectangle with,
3.
well, you've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
6.
What else have you done?
You've done 7.
You've done 7. Can there be a rectangle that has a perimeter of 16 and a side of 8?
No, because 8 plus 8 is 16.
8 plus 8 is 16. So this is it. This must be everything. So how many different rectangles are there with integer sides and side and perimeter of 16?
4.
4. High five. And the way we solved this problem was we made a list and we drew pictures. So this was like a picture list. you think that's called a pick list or a list pick? I don't know.
Um,
What would you call it?
maybe a picture list.
Picture list? Okay. Alright, that was a good job, sweetie. That was a really good job. Good way to solve that problem.